Alright, so in the last video we learned how to export a transparent video within After Effects, which was very essential and very easy, guys, right? Same is the case with the Premiere Pro. Hello everyone, I'm Nitin and I welcome you all to QSS, and today we're learning how to export transparent video within Premiere Pro. So without wasting further time, let's focus on the screen. Alright, so I've got this footage here and I want an subscriptions call out animation on it. Let me get it from Premiere Composer. Let me go to social media. Under YouTube, I will click on add. As we clicked on the add, we can see we got this animation, call out animation for subscription, right? All right, so what we need here is, I just want this as a footage so that I can just drag and drop. In that case, first of all, I need to get rid of this footage, this background, right? So let me delete it for now. I have this in the project panel. I will drag and drop again. So we have this. We have to just export it. Make sure you highlighted, this timeline is highlighted when you're pressing Ctrl+M. Okay. Now under the format, you have to select QuickTime. Make sure you select QuickTime, and I will keep other settings as it is now. So the main part of this setting is here under this video. So under this video, we have to change video codec to animation. Right here you can see this animation, and when we click on animation, we have to go down, scroll down. Okay, and now here main option we have to select here is the 8 BPC plus alpha. Okay, so when you click it, you will get the final result, the result where you won't find any background in the footage. So it will be a transparent video. All right, so let's click. Let me just select the folder and let me click export. All right, so as we export it, let's check it whether it is working or not. So let's come back to the main composition. For example, I've got this footage again, and here I just want to drag and drop that subscription animation. So for that, let's drag that footage that I exported, double click on it, and we can see there is only an animation, and we can just drag it with the audio because there was an audio in it, the mouse click. So now if we play it, all right, so this is how you can export a transparent video within Premiere Pro. And if you have any further more queries, you can just comment down in the comment box. I'll try to make the next video by the next Friday. Till then, stay safe, be creative. Bye bye.